Welcome everyone to episode 55 of Bullet Freaks Current Call. I am your host, the one-shot gaming hitman, Bullet Freak 224. Now let's start off with some gaming news here. As E3 comes to a close today, I saw some of the best games from Microsoft, Nintendo, and Sony, and from the Microsoft side, I saw a reincarnation of Killer Instinct, and it's going to be mighty hot today for Microsoft. And I just watched Nintendo's E3 Nintendo Direct video. I seen Mario Kart 8, Bayonetta 2, the new Legend of Zelda, the Wind Waker, the HD, which is recently released originally for the Nintendo GameCube and such. And what else? And I also saw both Leon and Rachel from Leon from Dead or Alive 3. I mean, from the Dead or Alive series, have been confirmed for Dead or Alive 5 Ultimate, and also Rachel from the Ninja Gaiden series has also been confirmed as a playable character in Dead or Alive 5. Yes, and anyways, I hope everybody have watched all the press conferences. All the games are going to be releasing for later this year and next year and beyond. Yeah. Anyways, on to my channel update. I did an unboxing of my new Target 66-inch tripod, which I'm using right now, and I also did an unboxing of El Drago Destructor, and I hope I can like do more Beyblade battles and such in the near future here. But I will like plan my next walkthrough here to see what games out of my collection should I do. Yeah. Well, that's all the time I have for this week. I hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like all my videos, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go back and watch my other episodes. You can also like me on Facebook and follow me on Twitter at NecoFreak224. Until next time, you guys. Show